Say hi to our LightDimensions Brighteners. The brighteners help to create a power toning or to soften the contrasts in the hair. You can choose between two brighteners. The first one is the Brightener Natural for level 7 to 9. The second one is the Brightener Silver for level 5 till 7. The good thing is the brightener lifts up to 1.5 levels. I love to do the power toning service with the Brightener Natural. What is the power toning service? It is a combination between the Brightener Natural and Add Pure pigments. For example, I can create with the Brightener Natural and the Add Pure pigments Cool Pink a very nice strawberry blonde by adding few drops of the new Add Pure pigments Cool Pink. The integrated Cool Protect technology helps the hair to stay cooler for longer. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you in the next video.